Hey y'all, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and the TV volume seems like it just came up pretty high, but how's it going? So I hope that you have enjoyed kind of a little mix up in my channel. By now you should have seen my deorganization, that's how I feel, my organization and my declutter of my bathroom. And I don't call it a get ready with me, I call it, because nobody wants to know how I get ready, it's a hot mess, but I call it my, I think I called it like my beast to best or something, I don't know. Anyways, it was death to best. Anyways, whatever. But today I have a little bit of a mixed haul because I'm having a rough time again. I don't really want to talk about it because it's kind of making me sad. So we did get kind of I guess a preliminary diagnosis, whatever. But anyway, so I might be switching up my jobs a little, maybe more to a stay-at-home job, which will kill me because I absolutely love seeing my patients one-on-one. But you know what? Sometimes it's what we have to do in order to like take care of ourselves. But so I'm so excited. It's like already 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I want to start crafting a little bit and kind of doing maybe some more crafting videos. So I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I got. The first thing, just the foam board from the Dollar Tree. And I just got it because I want to do some, my husband actually, where'd it go? Did I bring it over here? Anyways, it doesn't matter if I did or not. But my husband brought out some spackle the other day because he was moving one of our couches because we got new couches. And of course, it hit the wall. And so he brought out some spackle. I'm like, where'd you get that spackle? And he's like, it's mine. And I'm like, I just remembered I want to do some whipped cream toppers. And he's like, you can't use my spackle. And so I was like, well, I'm going to use it. So I was like, well, now I need the rest of the stuff to do it. So I'm going to show you a couple of the other things that I got from the Dollar Tree to help me out with it. So I did pick up the 2 cake pans because I left them in the car, but because I didn't find them at this store, I found them at another one. I found the marbles, and I was looking at, you can use like the marble, and you can use this as like a lazy Susan. And so I'll show you, but I'm sure all of you guys know how, but I'll show you when I do my faux cupcake topper of how I'm going to do it. But that's my plan. So I'm just going to use this as kind of like a lazy Susan. So that's why I bought those. Kind of makes me sad because now I know that my things are outside in another bag. I'm going to put these on them. These are just the hearts. I didn't buy a whole lot because I know 100% for a fact that there is a bin outside in my garage. I know exactly where it's at. I need to go out there after this video, and I know that I have a whole lot of Valentine stuff because I did do Valentine's crafts last year on this channel. I did like my baskets and stuff like that. And if you do like that, I might actually link that one below, I think, because that one I used so last year for that, for one of the baskets, I was very proud of myself for, I guess I didn't figure this one out, but I got one of their balloons that's shaped as hearts, and then I, put some glue and some water in a container. And then I got the twine from the Dollar Tree, and then I used it and I wrapped it around the heart. And so once I was done and it hardened, I had a heart basket, and I just cut out the front, and then I put all the gifts inside of it. So it was like one of those, I don't remember what they're called, and I'm not going to try right now, but where like you wrap something around the balloon, then you pop the balloon and the shape is still there. So it was that, and then everything was sitting inside of it. So I'll try to remember to link that one below because that is a video I'm extremely proud of. But so anyways, I got these for the tops of my little cupcakes. They're just the foam hearts. I got these, the 4-piece of the foam dice. I don't think I've ever done a video of what I made for my craft shows, so I will do that soon because I still have that stuff sitting in bins in my garage that I'm going to put away soon. But I got these because I know they're a little bit smaller than the bigger dice that come 2 for $1, but these are still cute. Like you can still use these, paint them, and like make them look like something else. They don't have to be the big foam ones from the Dollar Tree. So I don't know. I'm gonna use those. And then if you guys had seen one of my previous hauls, I got this Pure Infused Lip Oil. I absolutely love it. That wasn't how you say absolutely, but I love it. Absolutely love it. Amazing. It literally sits right next to my bed, right there. And I put it on every morning I wake up, every night when I go to bed. And I was like, I need one of these for my car. So I got this one for my car. It's 0.5 ounces. I love how it works. Amazing. And I was saying when I did this before is that it's like excuse me, it's not like thin like a chapstick, but it's not thick like Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I can't stand because it feels like this big film. The wind comes by, your hair gets stuck to your lips. Kiss your hair goodbye. Just cut it off because it is like Gorilla Glue and it will get stuck. I don't like that. This is not that thick, but it's not that thin, and I love it. And for anyone who says, Amy, you haven't even taken down your Christmas yet, I gotta tell you, this is my favorite blanket. And this is like the relaxation kind of corner that my husband and I made in my bedroom so that I don't just have to be in the bed if I'm not feeling well. And I want to kind of relax. So we got this chair that's like a kind of recliner chair. It's one of my favorite chairs. And it has like a little ottoman at the end. I still have to do this up. This is like my Golden Girls. You guys, I'm heartbroken over Betty White, just so you know. But this is like my Golden Girls pink kind of shelf next to me. So it's just kind of all the things that I love so that when I sit here, I can just rest and relax. So this blanket you will see, I don't care if it's June or July. I love this blanket. It's soft. And so it's going to be here. Anyways, just wanted to tell you for everyone who says, you didn't even take down your Christmas yet. No, I did. This is not going anywhere. And then I did pick up 2 of these. And these are like the thick, pretty thick, like wood. They're not wood, but like whatever, plyboard, whatever it is. And they are just the envelopes. And they say, this paper says, follow your heart. And there is another color. But the reason, again, that I got these is because they were red. And so I figured I could put a couple of things on here. Again, in a previous haul, I've hauled the galvanized mini kind of ones with the hearts on them. I'm going to take the hearts off. And then I've also hauled the wooden ones. And to me, they're cute for Valentine's Day. But for me, they're even better for Christmas. And I am totally, like I said, I make my kids believe in Santa, all that stuff. Like Santa is, it's just like the magic of Christmas. You know, like I know what Christmas is about. Trust me, it's not about Santa. But I'm just saying, like, it's just believing in like the magic and everything. So I did letters to Santa with my patients this last year. Like we put them in the mailbox. We did everything because, I mean, we found little magazines, which by the way, finding magazines anymore, when I was younger, we used to get like the Sears catalog, JCPenney catalog, all these different things and cut out the things we wanted. It was pretty hard this year. Like I couldn't find any magazines. I went to thrift stores to try to find like old magazines, anything. Everything's online. I've been emotional because of everything going on lately, but I was just wanted to cry because I was like, there's nothing anymore. Like, anyways, back off of my rant about that. But I got these because I feel like they are kind of Christmassy if you look at it. Like, if you look at it knowing it's Valentine's, it's Valentine's. But you could definitely add some more stuff and make this Christmassy and make this another letter to Santa. And I love it because these are big. The galvanized ones were pretty little, and then the wooden ones were a different size also. So I love that they're all different. So I get all these different options for my letters to Santa. So I picked up 2. I think that's all from the Dollar Tree for right now. So you all, I had to mail out some friend mail that I forgot that was still in my garage. I'm still waiting for 2 more people to please respond with their addresses because during the time that I got sick, which is not an excuse, but everything else was going on. It was just a lot going on. And I did not send out mail I was supposed to. So I did just finally send the mail out to Triple G's. And it was so embarrassing. So I take it to the post office, right? And there's Halloween stickers on the outside of it. And the lady just looked at me and I was like, it's a little late. And she was like, oh, it's okay. And in her mind, you know, she was like, you slacker. And then the other one I mailed out was to Gina. And again, it's Gina Loves to Craft. And it had like summer stickers or something in it. I don't remember, but they were definitely not stickers that would be on there right now. And I said, I'm just a little behind. And you know, in her mind, she was like, lady, seriously right now? So anyways, I had to mail those out. And I've been passing, you know, I've lived in my house since August. It's January. There's a thrift store I have to pass every single day. I haven't never went into it ever. I was proud of I'm like, if that were a Dollar Tree, I would have been in there 5 times a day by now. Like, what are you thinking, Amy? So I was like, I have to stop. I have to stop and see what it's about. And so I did. And you know, I didn't come out with nothing. So I'm pretty emotional. So the other day I opened my door because I got these probably a week ago and I haven't done a haul yet. I opened the door and one of my favorite things, it was the little coffee cup. It had the spoon in like the handle. It was like stuck in there. It fell out and broke. And so I was sad about that. But Oh, well, it wasn't meant to be for me to have it then. So, but let me show you guys some of the other stuff that I'm going to put my full Yeah, we know when people come in our front door, it doesn't matter if it's me, if it's my husband, it doesn't matter who comes in the front door. The dogs let everyone know someone comes. But let me show you these. So this, I guess this shows when they came in, and this came in on August 31st, and it's been waiting for me since then. I was so excited. So this is $1.99, and it's by Noble's Finest Quality. No idea. I don't go to thrift stores and look for like name brands. I look for cute. I don't look for how much they are. I don't really like. I look for how much this price is. I don't care how much they are online or whatever. But, and I don't even drink coffee, but I'm going to put a faux whipped cream topper on this because how fun. You're hitting my camera. Like literally, I'm in a corner in my room and he has to come in here. I'm putting a faux whipped cream topper. I think it's like a little creamer or something. I did a haul since you've been gone for 2 hours. Anyways, how cute is this? I just restarted the dryer again. It was just damp. So you might want to look. Sorry, my oldest son just came in. So anyways, isn't this so cute? Like if you put like a faux whipped cream topper on top of it, oh my gosh, amazing. So I got this for $1.99. Again, it's been there since August 31st. Like it was waiting for me to get it. I know, I was like, I don't drink any coffee, and I got all this coffee stuff. Oh, and I'm sorry about the cream thing. I could have unwrapped it first. So this again was been sitting there since August 31st, and it was $1.99, and this says mocha, which I'm pretty sure that's not how you spell it, but, and it's again by the Nobles. But you guys, is that not the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Like it is literally a heart shape. So how cute is this going to be with a little like whipped cream topper on top of it? Like, let's be honest, that's so flipping cute. So I'm going to put both of these with little faux whipped cream toppers, and they would be cute for like Valentine's Day. I'm going to make them like because they are not just Valentine's Day oriented just because they have a heart. So I'm going to make them so that they just kind of match this part, and they can just be so flipping cute just to be sitting on like your hot cocoa bar or anything, even on the holidays. So I got those two. What else is in here? So I have been seeing, you know, like I went to this craft fairs this last year. And I was like, man, I really, like I was looking around kind of like what sells, what doesn't. And I hate when people go and just take your ideas and stuff. But I definitely didn't feel like I did that because I didn't really see a lot of coasters. But I was like, I really want to try to like do some stuff with coasters. So, and it's like they heard me. And so I was looking at it. So I got this, and this. So it's it's 6 coasters, but it has 6 coasters with the bottoms, so they're wood ones. And I got these for, so they were $3.99 each, so that's like $125, $133, like $133 each. And like I can, like if I want to, I can just paint the front, which I won't because I cannot paint, but I can put some Cricut on there. I really want to get into wood burning, and that is one of the reasons I got these, because they're wood and I just want to see how it goes. And I think you can get like a little wood burner at Walmart for like $20 because I just want to practice it. And so I thought for $133 for each of these, I'm golden if I mess it up. No, I'm lying. That's not $133 because that would be 2 of these. $133 and one. No, that is. No, it's not. I don't know. Anyways, whatever. It was $3.99 for all 3 of these, and they have been there since December 30th. I like that they put the dates on them. I don't know. I don't go to a whole lot of other thrift stores besides like Goodwill, and so I don't know if normal they put them on there, but I just think they're cute. And so again, there's 3 sets of 2, and all of them have this little white on them, and they're United. Oh, they're United Healthcare house calls. So they are like from a, what am I thinking? Like, you know, when people get,
what's your name got me for Christmas?
Oh, that's awesome. You want to come help me finish this? Yeah, I know what it is. Want to come help me? Don't do that right here. Goodbye. Okay. Don't go away, please. Like, your kids have got to try every little bone in your body. Anyways, so, on to what I was saying. You're distracting me. Anyways, so these are like those little things that you get from like representatives and stuff bring. So I got those. Well, I had slippers I was going to give you, but you're not getting them now. fast he gets. He keeps peeking around the corner doing this thing and knowing it's bothering me. Anyways, I just found this too. So again, I don't drink coffee, but I loved this color. It says, I like you a latte. And I like that it was big. I love hot cocoa. Guys, I do not care. I will drink orange juice out of a coffee mug. This morning, I drank my milk out of like a rocks glass. And so I don't care what I drink it out of. Troy, please take the squeaking toy from her. I was alone a couple minutes ago. So it is hers, but I don't want her having it right now. So this was December 14th was put out, and it was $1.99. But look at this color. Like, it's so beautiful. I loved it. So I got that. And then I got these because they're just ice cube trays. I'm not going to use them for ice cube trays because I do like to make like hot chocolates and stuff. I mean, like molded chocolates. But this is Be Kind, and they're in blocked letters. And so I got that, and this has been there since December 23rd, and it was 99 cents. It was still in the box. So I think that's cute, and I love that. Be Kind. Troy, will you please take the squeaking toy from her? She just lifted up the blanket and took it. Sorry. So our boxer, she picks up blankets and leaves with them and stuff, and so my son just put it under the blanket, and she took it, and now he's doing it again, and she's getting under the blanket again. Anyways, yeah, so I thought that was cute for 99 cents. And then I plan on doing more of my little golden books. Oh, this is the spoon to my broken cup. So I want to do more golden books and more journals and stuff, and so I like to make like the strings hanging over the spine of them. And so I saw these beautiful, I don't even know what they are. I'm sorry, I'm watching my dog. She is digging. She's about to find that toy again. And he's going to be PO'd when she does, but she's digging. Anyways, so I found these beautiful things. And let me just show you. So they're like squares in them. I'm sure you guys know what kind of like, I don't know, ribbon or whatever it is. But they were 99 cents each, and they're full. How beautiful are these, though? So today's videos are going to show you one of the junk journals that I'm going to do. So I might put these in there. I'm not sure, but these are so beautiful. So these were 99 cents each. So guys, that is my haul. I'm sorry for the distractions and everything like that. My son was not home when I started this video. She has the toy again. Okay. Guys, like, I don't even know. I hope you guys have a great day. He's getting frustrated now, and she wants her toys. So, all right, guys, I will talk to you later. I hope you're having a great day. I really apologize, and bye, guys.